Women sit more after retirement. If you're looking forward to having some extra downtime after retirement, just make sure it doesn't bring more sitting down time. A study found that, on average, women saw a sharp increase in sedentary time after they retired compared with when they were working. This is an unhealthy pattern that can lead to a higher risk for cardiovascular disease. To provide accurate measurements, the participants wore activity monitors continuously for a full week during their 1 or 2 years before both and after retirement. The spike in sedentary time occurred after retirement and remained at the reduced level for the next 2 years or more following retirement. Men, by contrast, saw a gradual decline in their activity level over time, but no sudden spike after they left their jobs. So, if you're retiring in the near future, it may be worth keeping an eye on your activity level to make sure you don't slow down after you leave your job. This channel is made to help you know your body better. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss any videos in the future about your body.